Cultivated for over 4,000 years, mangoes, one of the oldest known fruits and respectfully hailed as the king of the fruits, have a story as rich as their flavor. But their story goes beyond taste. In Hindu tradition, even the leaves of the mango tree hold powerful meaning. Symbolizing life, purity, and new beginnings, mango leaves are believed to attract positive energy and blessings. Hung at the entrances of homes and temples during festivals, they purify spaces, absorbing negative energy and ushering in vital life force. They mark life's most beautiful milestones, from weddings to birth ceremonies, representing the hope and promise of fresh starts and flourishing futures. Mangoes themselves carry stories of love and connection. In India, they are considered a love fruit, gifted as tokens of affection. Legend has it that Alexander the Great tasted mangoes in India and shared tales of their sweetness with Greece. Around the world, mangoes continue to inspire fascination. In Japan, the luxurious Miyazaki mango can sell for $3,000 a pair. Mango trees are nature's giants, some towering up to 100 feet tall and living for 300 years still bearing fruit. For me, mangoes became unforgettable in Haiti. I first tasted a mango when I was living there, fresh from the tree, fully ripe. The flavor, I was speechless, sweet, juicy, and unlike anything I'd ever had. Mangoes don't just taste good. They tell stories. Stories of sunshine, warmth, and tropical abundance. Stories of culture, connection, and life itself. One medium mango weighing 200 grams has 150 calories. It's got 38 grams carbs, 3.5 grams fiber, 1 gram protein, and 0.6 grams fat. It's got vitamins C, A, E, and B6, and minerals, potassium, magnesium, and copper. Mangoes also contain powerful antioxidants like zeaxanthin and beta-carotene, adding vibrant color and boosting health. Mangoes aren't just a tropical tree. They're packed with nutrients that fuel your body and mind. Mangoes are rich in fiber and natural enzymes like amylases, which helps break down carbs and keeps digestion smooth. With a powerful combo of vitamins A and C, mangoes support your immune system, keep skin and mucous membranes strong, and even protect your eyes from blue light damage. Vitamin C boosts collagen for firm, glowing skin, while beta-carotene and vitamin E help repair and protect your skin and hair from oxidative stress. Nature designed mangoes with a perfect balance of fiber and natural sugars, offering steady, nourishing energy. With a low glycemic index, they fuel the body in a way that feels smooth and sustained, especially when enjoyed on their own or paired with other whole foods. Vitamin B6 helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which promotes good moods, focus, and restful sleep. Every juicy bite of mango isn't just refreshing, it's nourishment for your body and soul. With over 500 varieties of mangoes worldwide, how do you pick the perfect one? Choose fruit that's slightly soft with a fruity aroma at the stem. Color isn't always the clue. Rely on scent and feel. Store unripe mangoes at room temperature and refrigerate ripe ones for up to 5 days. Freeze slices for smoothies, sauces, and desserts. And here's a ripening secret. Store mangoes next to bananas to speed up the process. Mangoes are a tropical delight. As the sweet fruit, they pair beautifully with bananas, papayas, kiwis, and all types of berries. Try the classic mango cube cut, also known as the hedgehog. It's not only practical, it's visually stunning. Eat them fresh for the richest flavor. They make excellent salsas and are easy to blend into smoothies or healthy desserts. For a nutrient-rich meal, pair mangoes with leafy greens. And for a mono meal, 2 to 3 mangoes are perfectly filling and refreshing. Mangoes, a reminder of tropical abundance, rich in flavor and meaning. Naturally sweet and vibrant, they offer effortless nourishment and energy. From sacred traditions to stories of love and connection, mangoes symbolize warmth, renewal, and the richness of life itself. Oh yes, and I have something just for you. I've added a refreshing mango mint chutney salad to the Fruitiful Soul Society's recipe library. It's vibrant, simple, and packed with tropical greatness. Join today and check it out. Click the link in the description. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.